Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a project in Behance and how you can publish your work to your portfolio. So first of all, come here on behance.net. Over here, you need to sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now, when you are here on the explore page, you need to hover over to the share work section and click on the option of project or the services that you are basically offering. So since you want to add a project, I want you to click on the option of project. Now over here you will be shown a bunch of different options with the help of which you can showcase your project. So here in the content section you can either add image if you are a graphic designer, you can add text if you are a writer, you can use the photo grid option if you are a photographer, you can choose the option of video and audio if you work in the content creation field. You can also use the embed feature if you have a video catalog on YouTube or any other platform and you want to embed your project over here. Then you can click on the option of object embed and then you can paste the links here. You can also click on the option of Lightroom if you have Lightroom projects to showcase. Then similarly you can click on the option of 3D and the prototype if you have these types of projects available. So over here, let's say I'm going to simply select the option of image. Then from your device you just have to select your project which you want to showcase. After it is uploading successfully, you just have to first of all click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner. Now you need to give this project a name or the title, so you need to give it a title. Then you can add maximum 10 keywords here for better reach. After that you can select the category of your project that you have selected. Simply select Behance visibility so you can showcase it to everyone and you can also keep it private. Afterwards you can just scroll down a bit and fill out all these details like additional details and team related details. In the left hand side you will be shown the cover image, so I want to keep it as it is, but you can also edit the cover image if you are using any videos. So once you are done with it, simply click on the option of publish, and as soon as you click on the option of publish you will be redirected here on this page where in the projects section you are going to see the project that you have currently created. So you can click on that and you can just simply take a look at it, and you can even basically like it and share it with someone else. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.